my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit that subscribe button because you're already here anyways. If you are not familiar with my face, I am a professional ballerina turned ballet dance teacher and certified personal trainer, certified sports nutritionist. But last week I answered some questions for you guys, and I am going to be answering some more questions that poured in. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. The next question from Jeremy Mack: how old is Luna? Luna is my cat. Ooh, good question. I think she's, oh, my mom would know better. I don't know the age of my own daughter. Luna is 4. She's almost 4. She's at least 3.5 or almost 4. Favorite ballet move? Probably a pirouette of some kind or développé. I love slow adagio kind of things. I love leg lifts. I love things that showcase flexibility and strength. I'm not a great jumper. I love doing jumps, but I'm not great at it at all in the slightest. So probably a pirouette, probably like from 4th position, just a classic pirouette, maybe into a fouette attitude and landing. It feels really dancey. Grandeur. So yeah, pirouette for sure. Next question. What would you say to your younger self? I would say to never give up on your dreams. I know that's cliche, but actually I would say don't be so hard on yourself, especially when things don't work out, like you don't get a role or something, because something better is coming your way anyways. I know that's super cliche, but it's totally true. It's absolutely true. Comment down below if you want a story time of this example, because I've got plenty story times of that kind of situation. I used to get down on myself a lot as a young dancer. I used to say like, oh, I'm not starting point, or one year I wasn't able to start partnering classes and I was so sad about that. I was so distraught about not starting partnering classes when I was in ballet school, but my teacher said, wait, you're gonna do point work right now, and by next term you'll be all caught up. And I was, and the next term I was more than caught up. I was able to do roles, I was able to do different shows, and then I eventually got a ballet job. Anyways, a ballet career partnering was no issue. I did need more work in my point work. So another thing I would tell to my younger self is listen to your teachers, have more faith in yourself and your teachers. Another thing I would say to my younger self is to not stretch yourself too thin. You don't have to feel pressure to do everything all at once. I think we all feel that these days with the pressure of social media, the pressure of hustle culture, getting things done. We always feel like we need to do the next thing, the next thing, the next thing. No break, no space in between. And usually in those breaks, when you have your own specific alone time with yourself, you can do a lot of self-discovery and reflecting. You can also spend quality time with your friends and your family, and that's more important in the long run than, you know, trying to achieve 10 million things all at once that are in the end mostly mediocre. So quality over quantity overall. Let's go to some more questions. Leah asked some more questions. What is your favorite style of dancing other than ballet? If you had asked 12-year-old Jasmine, she would have said lyrical or jazz. But now I love the thought of acro. Like when I'm teaching acro and tumbling, it's so much fun. I used to dislike musical theater with passion when I was younger, but now I love it. I will be in the shower listening to He Had It Coming, na 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 na. You know, I love musical theater. Other styles, definitely anything contemporary. I'm not the biggest hip hop person. I don't have the most swag at all. So definitely still staying in that kind of discipline of flowy and technical. Although hip hop can be extremely technical, you just gotta be cool for that, and I'm not cool. So how many types of dancing have you learned? Pretty much everything. I tried to be a jack of all trades when I was a kid. You know, my mom and dad really encouraged me to try everything, dip my toes in the water in every single style and every single aspect of every single activity, not just dance. So I pretty much did everything when I was a kid. Ballet, point, tap, jazz, hip hop, acro, musical theater for a short time, even though I really didn't like it as a kid, but now I love it and I wish I did it more. Pretty much everything, even a little bit of salsa here and there. What's your favorite age to teach? Oh, that one's really tricky. I love all ages to teach, but I'd say the little ones are so cute. Oh, I love them all. See, there's so many different reasons to love all ages because the little kids are so cute, and it's so exciting to see young aspiring dancers move forward when they learn something. You can see it in their eyes, right? And when they do something again and it's just clicked and they're so little, it's so incredibly motivating to me. And then likewise for the older ones, like the preteens. They're just so full of energy and they're so enthusiastic. Just like the little kids, but these guys, they get it, right? When you tell them a correction, they are starting to be like that. Those ones are actually maybe that age. I can't say because I love them all. I love teaching adults. I love teaching teenagers too. I feel like I'm a teenager sometimes and I can just kind of relate. Maybe it's because I grew up kind of on the cusp of Gen Z and millennial, being born 1996. I can kind of relate to that age a little bit more. I love teaching adults too because it's like making friends pretty much. I really can't answer that. I'm sorry, Leah. Probably all ages, but if I had to pick one, I'd say the little kids. They're just so cute. If you didn't dance, what would you be doing? If I didn't dance, I'd probably be still dancing somehow. You're talking like if I didn't dance at all? Okay. If I danced, but not ballet, I'd probably be doing like competition, still being a dance teacher like I do now, or I'd be like an adjudicator. If I didn't dance at all in my life, piano. For sure. When I was a little kid, I started piano from when I was 4 and I did piano for 10 years. I loved music, so I'd be in music probably. It's my other passion, music. I love music, so I'd probably somehow be into music. Not singing, I can't sing for the life of me, but maybe playing piano, going to Kiwanis more. I used to go to Kiwanis and piano competitions, things like that. I was a nerd. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, or if you have any other questions, if I should do another part of this Q&A. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and bye now.